In the first number, a person in white car with a lady ran after committed a crime. Several police cars tries to caught him, but after some time they take help from the air police that SIPS helps out them to caught that person on the helicopter.
Say again.
CHP's going to be closing southbound 395 at Joshua.
Pick it up, Dave. 40 King. Just be advised the traffic's coming to a dead stop up here. There's going to be way too much backdrop for us to engage if he does end up exiting and making contact with you guys. If he gets in the desert.
Hey, Bolt 22, I come y'all. He's leaving and then the traffic actively firing.
Alright, Dave, he just pulls off. He's making a U-turn. Left orbit.
He's exiting at main, but he's using the on-ramp to exit and go the wrong way.
Watch these deputies. Hey, deputies, he's coming right at you on the exit. Hey, you guys, he's going to lose control here as he goes up that embankment. Do we have units on Bear Valley? He's stalling out. Alright, dude, I'm keeping 140, dude. Everybody's on the right for dude. Let me know.
Walk. Hey! Stop shooting her! He's in the car! Stop! She's okay! He's in the car! Stop!
Crossfire, explain it.
Alright, we have no movement. Stand by. Watch your crossfire, gentlemen, watch your crossfire!
Yeah, man, the day before, I got traffic stop.
Crossfire, guys.
Traffic stop just north of Main. Information, crossfire, be aware. Best vehicles advising crossfire, be aware.
Yeah, and AT-AT, we got multiple units stop traffic.
Information, that's what's advising no movement inside the vehicle. What's the best 20?
Southbound, south of Main.
15 on the freeway.
Unit 5, go ahead and start as we have one with no gunshot wounds.
1 mile.
15 and 8. Maine and I-15, southbound.
I copy Maine and I-15.
1252, I'll give you a run break northbound, northbound at Joshua.
Front of a break northbound at Joshua.
22, if we can have medics come from the main on-ramp for the juke.
Deployment 2, that's 197 at the terminal.
Related to this suspect contact that they're on right now, but they're trying to get urgent care at Maine in the 15.
Hey, we have air
Looks like
rescue
everybody's
around.
safe inside. Do you want me to do
If
this to
somebody
the rest of
calm down and just tell us the extent of their injury so it comes out clear.
Gunshot wound, I'm assuming.
Hey, Bolt 22, female has a chest wound. We're attempting life-saving procedures.
Poor thing.
is down.
40 King, George 4.
March good,
I think
Traffic 40 King.
We're going to need to check a whole overpass off from where posted to...
We're still close. Connected in Main Street.
Jennifer, you want me to divert all units to that location?
Every requesting Caltrans for hard closure, landing airship at
Only if we had a paramedic.
Yeah, confirm. We'll land on the freeway.
The units who are...
4th, 2025, at approximately 10:40 p.m. the APD ACE unit requested GSP and ADP Air unit assistance in location a stolen vehicle.
Go get him, get him, get him, get him, get him, get him.
Clear 10, 30, 10, 30, 30.
All right, 5056. GSP is going to be in pursuit of that vehicle. He's by himself.
Alright, got eyes on the canine. I'm looking for Buddy here. Alright, I got him. We're running northbound, 37 Standish Avenue, running northbound. I got 3 individuals running northbound on Standish Ave. They pushing towards Peachtree? Affirm, pushing towards Peachtree.
Push bond on Standish. Pushing towards Peachtree. Get up to Peachtree. They're pushing towards Peachtree. Get the fuck out! Get on the ground! Get the fuck out of your stomach right now!
Alright, got eyes on the canine. I'm looking for buddy here.
Shut the fuck up!
Alright, I got him. We're running northbound.
That's what happened.
We're running through a parking lot.
Y'all caught Ace, baby.
They pushing towards Peachtree? Hey, we're pushing towards Peachtree. Peachtree Road, Peachtree Park.
I got several out, so.
But I can only stay with one here.
Shut the fuck up, wearing gloves, just giving you a ride like this is my first day. You out here working?
I have it transmitting right now. It might be. Alright, 2 of them jumping a walk westbound towards Standish Avenue. One should be wearing a black hooded sweatshirt. I got one of them jumping in a dumpster here, 1720 Peachtree Street, Northwest.
Keep the light on.
Alright, we got officers about to make contact.
Out! Get out! On the ground! Hurry the fuck up! On the ground!
Get on the ground!
On the ground! Hey, second one, come out!
Adam, come over here. Come over here.
Second one, come out!
Second guy, come on out! It's over. Come on out. Your hands up.
Come out. Hurry up.
And get on the ground. And get on the ground.
On the ground. The dumpster.
Get on the ground.
Hands up. He's complying with orders.
Hey, hold on. Hey, have him come back to us. Hey, Paul. I know you're scared. Crawl back. Keep crawling. Hurry up. Okay, Adam, go ahead. I got contact. I got lethal.
Stole the car and ran away. Police take helicopter to caught that person, but after some time of chasing, that man played a trick with them. He driver and move his car to the jungle where helicopter did not find him, but after some time they finally arrest him.
Gonna be behind 3604 27th Street East. We need to get units out there to 27th Street East and lock that down. Canine, the back door is open. I believe he went inside that house.
Dogs come in. You're getting bit.
I'm booting this thing. Back. Hey.
Hey!